Welcome to Kumar Tech Tips channel. Today we are going to discuss about Introduction to SQL Server. In this section we are going to cover what is database, what is SQL Server, editions and versions of SQL Server. Before going to learn about MS SQL Server, we should know database. So what is database? Database is a platform where we can store any type and any amount of data which may store in megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes and petabytes of data. There are different types of databases available in the market such as MS SQL Server, IBM DB2, Postgres, Informix, Oracle, MySQL, MS Access, etc. So there are different types of databases available. According to our requirements, we will choose our database and we will work on it. Now, what is MS SQL Server? MS SQL Server is abbreviated as Microsoft Structured Query Language. MS stands for Microsoft, S stands for Structured, Q stands for Query, L stands for Language. So, this Microsoft SQL Server is a relational database management system developed by Microsoft. It is a relational database management which is developed by Microsoft in 1989. It is defined as a software product which is with primary functioning. Data will store and retrieve the data as per user request by user as well as software application. Database is a software product with primary function of storing and retrieving data as requested by the user as well as other software applications which may run either on the same computer or on other computer across the network. So it will retrieve and store the data by the user request as well as other software applications which is connected in the same network. A database is store the data with secure, faster of operations, ease of operations and can connect multiple connections. About security, it is highly secure. Nobody will access the data who do not have privilege. Whoever having privilege, they only can access the data which is stored in database. Faster in operations. So storing and fetching the data is very fast. Storing, fetching and manipulation will be very fast. Ease of operation. We can work very easily by writing easy queries like create, insert, update, delete and manipulating query. With easy queries we will work on database. And multiple connections at a time, many peoples can connect and work on database. Editions of MS SQL Server. There will be different editions. Majorly we will work on enterprise, developer and express, standard, evaluation and data center web editions. So first we'll see about enterprise edition. Enterprise edition includes database engine and add-on service. It will be having engine and we can add the services based on our requirement. Creation and managing of cluster is possible. Means cluster means let's say there is two servers for one database. One server is down means other will get up. Other is down means this whatever AB, let's say AB servers. If A server is down means B server will up. B server is down means A server will up. So with this there will be high availability of database. So for that this enterprise edition will use. It can manage up to petabytes of data for production servers. It will store a huge amount of data, up to petabytes of data will store in this enterprise edition database. Developer edition. Same features whatever will be having in enterprise edition, the same features will be having in this developer edition. But this developer edition is for developing and testing purpose. Should not be used for production purpose and it is free for lifetime. Express edition. This is also free edition of SQL Server. It includes database engine and it is limited using one processor and 10 GB of database file. So we can use this edition to store the database up to 10 GB of data. More than that means it will not work out. It will work but we may not see expected performance on database. Standard edition includes core database and standard alone service. It does not allow high availability function. Means this standard alone edition, whatever we bought standard alone services, that only will work, and extensions and all will not work. High availability also will not work. Means like this cluster, and there will be some high availability functions that will not work in this standard edition. Evaluation edition, this evaluation edition is free for 180 days. After that it will continue to run, but server services will get stopped. So this evaluation edition is for trial purpose. This trial editions is used for trial purpose, and it is free up to 6 months. 6 months it is free. Data center web edition is for their requirements. Majorly we'll see about these data. Now versions of SQL Server, there will be yearly versions. SQL Server 6.0 in 1995, 6.5 in 1996. In the same way, up to 2014 was released 2014 SQL Server. Up to 2014 support end date was complete. Means for these SQL servers there is no support from Microsoft. More than 2014 means 2016, 2017, 18, 19, 20, 22. For these SQL Server versions, there will be support up to this 2016 support up to 2026, 2007 support up to 2027, 19 is up to 2030, and 22 is up to 2033. Until 2033 there will be Microsoft support for this MS SQL SQL servers, and 2025 is going to be released. To work on SQL Server we need two softwares. One is SQL Server Database Engine and other is SQL Server Management Studio, which means this is a storage engine to store all the data. The database will store all the data, whatever stored data. To work on the database we need SQL Server Management Studio. It is a tool to write queries for database. Whatever data we want to fetch, whatever data we want to store, by this tool we will work on this database. To work on MS SQL Server we need to download and install MS SQL Server and SSMS to work on it. Thank you for watching.